Here's my full day of eating as a science-based Harvard lifter on my lean bulk to 230 pounds. Let's get into it. I start with a Fairlife to get my protein up and watermelon since it's summertime. Then I gotta lock in on work, so I crush an energy drink. Next, it's time to get my carbs up with my pre-workout snack, which is candy, a banana, and honey. Crushing a banger push day, and halfway through I have some Nerds gummy clusters for some more carbs. Got a sick chest pump, got some pump vids with my little sis, and got her to flick me up. After the lift, getting my protein up with some protein powder, double scooping of course. And I get some post-workout carbs with watermelon and Halo Top. Gotta lock in again, so I have another energy drink. And my mom makes me 2 omelets for my dinner, which have eggs, cheese, and ham. Finally, as always, if you're not doing this, you're missing out on gains. I end the day with a protein shake, right before bed. Follow to see the bulk to 230 before my next cut.